Guys, Balu's been in the fucking bathroom for the last half an hour. I'm fucking getting tired. Balu, get out, dude! What do you mean you don't have time? You've been inside for half an hour.
Important shit.
Yeah, I know it's shit, but still, how can it be? But what are you doing in the bathroom?
Dude, I need to be at work every single second of the day. I can't miss a second.
So you're taking a shit in Burger.
Yep, well, I can't be taking a shit over my jeans.
It's time to drive.
Driver?
Yeah.
What? Shut up,
Yeah.
no, Sharon, you're kidding.
No, we're not kidding.
Sharon, no. I'm a passenger princess for life.
Yeah.
I don't know how to drive.
How to drive.
Sharon, there's so many cars out here. Shyamolie loves her life too much, so she's sitting behind. Please. Yeah. Oh, Sharon, I really don't want to do this, please.
Are you ready?
No, stop yelling.
Mariam, if I can drive, you can drive.
You can drive?
She can't. I can't. But I drove that day.
Is there are three things there, right? What are the three things?
Seat belt.
Down! What is down, Mariam?
The pedals, you know which one is which?
Yeah, she knows.
Do you know?
Gas pedal.
Put it up, put it up, put it up!
She doesn't
Put it
know
up!
Shyamolie.
Shut up and teach me.
You have to leave the clutch and press the accelerator.
Okay, so what happens if I just press the accelerator?
The car won't move.
Why?
Just press the accelerator.
Shit, okay.
Slowly leave the clutch and press the accelerator.
Slowly.
Okay, yeah.
Oh my gosh, there's a bus. There's a bus. Oh my god, auntie, please move, auntie. Oh my gosh, I'm driving.
Okay, but be careful at cross sections.
I'm driving, right?
Yes, you are.
Car's not driving itself.
Yeah, this is not
It's
the
not
Tesla.
Tesla, yeah. Guys, we are moving at like 2 kilometers an hour.
Go, press accelerator.
Slowly brake, slowly brake, slowly
How do
brake.
I brake? Beach
Yeah.
Not okay. That was a bad break. Okay, I'm sorry, but we didn't get to that lesson yet.
Guys, never prayed before, but she's praying right now.
Never.
Guys, there's like a white house on top of this building. Tell me, what is that house?
That is my man Malya's crib.
Do you want to grow up to be Vijay Mallya one day?
No, he wants to grow up to be Siddharth Mallya, the son that's reaping the benefits.
Would you like to have a house like that?
No man, it's just like too much. Like why can't it be on the floor?
Small dick energy.
Okay,
Favorite player?
Favorite cricketer all time? Mbappe.
Did you say Mbappe?
I thought player.
Favorite cricket player? Mbappe.
Not cricketer. You said cricketer, I don't know. My favorite cricketer Michael Phelps.
I don't know the jokes.
It is swimming.
Guys, Archana is going out of Kochi for a few days, so me and Gayu have to fish sit. She's taking care of 2 fish, I'm taking care of 2 fish. Okay.
So this is fish food that I will give one of you.
Wow, it smells great. Smells like vagina.
Yeah, it smells like vagina.
Whose vagina smells like this? Like odakachamin. Odakachamin is dried fish. Prawn.
Fish food smells like vagina. We asked Anshu and Anshu said the same.
Then
They're
they...
laughing. What if I put like some Red Bull on or something?
Guy, can you take both my orders? Both of y'all can name the fish.
So the guy on the right is This Is Not a Vlog, guys, and the guy on the left is Sharan.
Good to Sharon.
You didn't kiss Sharan and This Is Not a Vlog?
I guess.
Kiss Sharan right now. Yeah, boy. They had so much fun with me that they'd never want to come back to you.
They became small or what? You didn't feed them?
Be happy that I took care of them.
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Thank you, Sharon.
Instead of talking shit to me.